Here's a little update on my hair growth. So, this is where I'm at right now. And the last time I cut it, I left it a little bit longer in the front and on the sides here than I did in the back. And now that it's growing in the back, you know, the back grows in these really curly, tangly hairs. So, yeah, I found that letting it, when you do cut it or trim it, keeping the sides and the front here a little bit longer than the back kind of helps keep that managed a little bit better. Thinking about trimming up my hair for good. Well, not for good, but just giving it a pretty good cut and then letting it grow back in. So that's still to be determined, but yeah, I'm thinking about maybe chopping it down, getting back to like my 6-month look or 7-month look, and then growing it out from there. But haven't made any hard decisions yet, so we'll see. Been sporting the long hair for 2 or 3 years now, so yeah. Alright, yeah, so that's just a quick update on my hair. And I'm wishing everybody well with their hair journeys. I'll talk to you later.